Hi, first graders and kindergartners. We're going to work on a lovely ladybug drawing since it is spring. I would have been doing this with you at school with construction paper and whatnot, but because we have limited supplies at our houses, I thought we'd do a cool drawing. So, what we're going to do first is you're going to draw a circle. So you can hold your paper vertically or you can hold it horizontally, whatever way you want. And what we're going to do is I'm going to start off with a circle. If you want to use a tracer, you can find like a quarter or, something other, like another circle like object in your house to trace. You're more than welcome to do that. So draw a circle. Then I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle. I'm going to give it a bump on the top. Now, if you don't have a Sharpie, it's fine. You use pencil or pen or whatever you have at your house. I'm going to color that head in. Then I'm going to give it two little antennae. Then I'm going to give it some circles. Obviously, pause this if you need to. And if you'd like, you can give it legs. Remember, insects have 6 legs. All right. Then I'm going to find somewhere else on my paper. Not right below it because we're not really working on overlapping quite yet. Another section of my paper, my circle, my straight line, my bump. Color it in. Antenna. Hopefully you got to enjoy the Grouchy Ladybug. I put the link to that ahead of the time. Then we're gonna pick somewhere else. Remember, not directly below. You wanna pick a different spot. So I say like 3 or 4 or 5 ladybugs is good. You don't want to get too carried away or it's going to be too busy. Maybe you have some smaller ones, maybe you have some bigger ones. These are all like different ways to make your art a little more interesting. Okay, I'm going to do one more down here just to balance off my paper. All right, now we're going to draw the blades of grass. So I'm going to draw pick any of your ladybugs. You're going to draw a line coming straight down to the ground, all the way to the bottom of the paper. Then I'm going to do one right next to it, parallel to it. Okay? Now, I want the top of the blade of grass to be up here. So I'm going to continue it up here and then come to a point so it looks like a blade of grass. Then I'm going to draw a straight line starting at my point. Don't draw through your ladybug. Remember, you want to kind of stop, continue on the other side. So it looks like a blade of grass. Then I'm going to go to my next ladybug. Pick any one you want. Draw your 2 lines. Continue your blade of grass on the other side to a point. Then draw a straight line down the middle. And I'm going to do that to every single one of these ladybugs. Now, this one might be a little tricky for me, so watch what I do if you kind of have the same situation going on. You're going to draw a line, and if you hit another line, you stop, and you continue on the other side. Same thing again. To my second line, I hit my blade of grass, stop, and continue on the other side. We don't want to draw through other blades of grass, or it makes it look like they're like see-through blades of grass, and that would be weird. I'm going to draw my line down the middle. Oh, I have to finish my blade of grass up here. There we go. So now, I got my larger blades of grass here. Now I need to fill in the space, so I'm going to add some more smaller blades in between, like spikies almost. Now, there's a lot going on in the nature insect world down below where we can't even see underneath our feet. So, if you'd like to, you're obviously more than welcome to add lots of blades of grass. You just don't want to make it too messy or if it's just too busy. So, you just want to kind of take it easy. Then, if you'd like to add, maybe some sun or some clouds in the sky, it's up to you, or maybe some birds flying. Maybe you have a little colony of ants, you know, moving in, walking up the blades of grass. Maybe you have an ant hole down here. I'm kind of full over here, but you know, you can kind of decide and make this kind of your cool picture of awesome, fun ladybugs. Clouds up here. Maybe it's raining. Maybe it's sunny. Hopefully it's not snowing. And then you're more than welcome to color it in with whatever materials you have at home. If you have crayons or watercolors or color pencils, markers, anything you love, then you can send it to my email. I'd love to see it finished. And I hope you guys are doing well this week, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.